Spot World, it's your boy App. Today we have Sinn6R Vardy. Let's get into it.
Who the fuck you catching, bitch? Get the fuck off me, man. Two old boys just walked in a party. I got pills in my system, so I'm just taking it in when a girl me naughty. The face cute, but the pum nasty. Black team wanna whine on me like Carney. Big drip, number 9 on me like Vardy. Ruby still when I come for the crew, but I'm still really pissed that I couldn't fuck Maisie. Wakey, but I don't sleep, I'm bakey. 2 stroke can make a leg go shaky. I got Valerie, I got Katie. Valium, Queselo, Holler man daily. Man's at home, but you're calling me baby. Sorry, but the man's on a food like gravy. Grabbing up dots like cotton, I'm so brain rock to the court, I'm rotten. I call up my guy for that Zam rock bottom. I'm pissed at my plug with a fucking ain't got him, I'm down. Uptown eating up steak with a label.
Yo, I love the crash sounds in this beat right now. It's just bringing me a vibe that I needed.
Ain't the first time that I have me a tomahawk. I might seem quite shy, cause I never talk, but I'm really thinking about Gene down hoes that look like Miss Incredible. 80th, yo, put it to a minimal. Not trying to end on a Reddit thread, no phones in the stew, cause the bitch way too federal. Eating it good, cooch edible, no face in a pick, hot Benadryl. The bitch classy, OG, head boom. I did blast it, my card inform. My head got hot and my heart got calm. My bitch was a rose and of course I'm the phone. Two old boys just walked in a party. I got pills in my system, so I'm just taking it in when a girl me naughty. The face cute, but the pum nasty. Black team wanna whine on me like Carney. Big drip, number 9 on me like Vardy. Ruby still when I come for the crew, but I'm still really pissed that I couldn't fuck Maisie. Wakey, but I don't sleep, I'm bakey. 2 stroke can make a leg go shaky. I got Valerie, I got Katie. Valium, Queselo, Holler man daily.
Alright, I'm not mad at this song, but it felt a little too UK for me. Listen, I just gotta be real. I'm not really a fan of songs where we name dropping and rhyming the names like that. There are exceptions to that rule of mine, but normally not. And then like in the middle of the verse, things were just getting a little like, I don't know. Like, I don't know what a Benidorm is. I don't know who Audrey Hepburn is. Like, things, I don't know. Plugging this all into the record review, I'm gonna give it a 3.6 out of 5 stars. Stamp it. Guys, make sure to hit that like, hit that sub if you're new. I appreciate you. Check out the rest of the Sinn6R reactions on the channel. Recommend whatever you want to hear. I appreciate you. I'll see you next time.